Hello, good day everyone. I am Joshua Vidal, BS IT 401 from PUP Taguig, and this is my on-the-job training presentation. Our practicum program requires us to render 500 hours of OJT, and nag-OJT ako sa DTI, Department of Trade and Industry sa Makati. So, what is DTI? The Department of Trade and Industry is a government agency in the Philippines that is responsible for promoting trade, industry, investments, and consumer protection. It helps business grow, supports entrepreneurs, protect consumers' rights, and encourages economic development across the country. DTI mission is the main economic catalyst that enables innovative, competitive, job-generating, and inclusive business and empowers consumers. DTI vision is a more inclusive and prosperous Philippines with employment and income opportunities for all. Here is the location of DTI, and their nature of business is government agency which focuses on trade, industry development, and business support and consumer protection in the Philippines. So, ang division na kinabibilangan ko ay ang Information System Division or ISD under ISMS or Information Systems Management System under DTI. So here are my internship objectives: to apply academic knowledge in information technology within a real government workplace setting, specifically in IT support, networking, and software development. To develop hands-on technical skills in enterprise network management, hardware diagnostics, device configuration, and help desk operations. To gain practical exposure to how a government agency like DTI manages its IT infrastructure and internal systems. To contribute meaningfully to the Information Systems Management Service or ISMS by providing reliable IT support to DTI employees and by developing the Equipment Inventory Management System or EIMS. To enhance professional skills such as communication, teamwork, time management, and adaptability in a formal government office environment. To bridge the gap between classroom learning and real-world IT practice as a BS IT student. So, my assigned office is, again, Information System Divisions or ISD. And here is my supervisor, Ms. Rochelle Matias, Information System Analyst 2. And my role uh, in this division is as an IT support and help desk intern. So we are the responsible for assisting employees and users with technology-related concerns and ensuring that DTS computer systems and IT services operate properly. So what is the main function of the Information System Divisions or ISD in ISMS DTI? So it manages DTI's information technology systems, develops and maintains software and databases, handling network and server infrastructure, and supporting cybersecurity and IT operations, and lastly, providing technical support for internal systems. So here are my duties and responsibilities as an IT support and help desk intern. So we provided IT help desk support by troubleshooting enterprise Wi-Fi connectivity issues for DTI employees across Windows and Mac OS devices, installed, configured, and connected various printers such as HP, Epson, Canon, Sharp to employee workstations, performed laptop setup, domain configuration, and software installation for new and existing users, conducted hardware evaluation and diagnostics using command line tools, and assisted in reformatting laptops using bootable USB drivers, including BIOS configuration and OS installation. So we also provided technical support and AV equipment setup during official DTI events and conferences. Develop and maintain the Equipment Inventory Management System or EIMS for the Information Systems Management Service. And lastly, documented ISD transactions and activities in the official ISD incoming and outgoing logbooks. So here are my projects accomplished. So my task project includes enterprise Wi-Fi troubleshooting, printer installation, configuration, laptop setup and domain configuration, event AV technical support, EMS web development, hardware evaluation, and diagnostics. The skills I used during the internship. So, technical IT skills, web development, problem solving, communication skills, teamwork, time management, documentation skills, and adaptability. So here are the things I learned during the internship. So I gained hands-on understanding of enterprise network management and standard IT help desk procedures in a government setting, learned real-world software development workflows from planning and coding to testing, debugging, and deployment. Improve ability to communicate and coordinate with professionals in a formal government office environment. Develop familiarity with government IT infrastructure, including domain management, enterprise Wi-Fi systems, and asset tracking. Enhance knowledge of hardware maintenance from diagnostics and reformatting to peripheral device setup. Understood the importance of proper IT documentation and records management in a large organization. Gain exposure to event technical operations, managing AV equipment for high-profile government events. So here are the difficulties I faced during my internship and how did I address them. Challenges: adjusting to the fast-paced help desk environment with multiple requests at once. So how I address it: learn to prioritize tasks by urgency and development, and develop a systematic approach to each issue. Next is balancing IT support duties while developing the AIMS system. So I manage time effectively by dedicating specific days to development and others to help desk work. Next is setting up AV equipment for large-scale events under time pressure. So I did arrive early, coordinated with teammates, and did pre-event testing to ensure everything worked. Lastly is working with various printer brands and models with different configurations, build familiarity through repeated hands-on experience, and learn each brand's driver to set up process. So here are the values developed during the internship. Punctuality, showing up at 8 a.m. daily and being ready before tasks begin. Accountability, owning tasks assigned and following through until fully resolved. Initiative, proactively assisting even without being explicitly told, especially during events. Adaptability, shifting smoothly between IT support and development tasks depending on the day's need. Professionalism, maintaining proper conduct when dealing with directors, secretaries, and senior government officials. Respect for confidentiality, handling employee account credentials and government data with care and discretion. Lastly is teamwork, working alongside fellow interns such as CJ, Nansig, Ellie, and J. Leo, and IT staff to accomplish tasks efficiently. So here are my recommendations or my suggestions for future interns, the company, or the school. So for future interns, brush up on networking basics and printer configuration before starting. You'll use it every single day. Don't be shy to ask your supervisors questions. They're very approachable and willing to teach. Come prepared with basic knowledge of Windows and Mac OS troubleshooting. And for DTI ISMS, consider giving interns a more structured period to onboarding period to get familiar with internal systems and procedures faster. The AMS project would benefit from continued development and formal handover documentation for future trainers. And lastly is for PUP Taguig, include more hands-on networking and IT support labs in the curriculum. Classroom theory is great, but real-world practice is a different level. And lastly, strengthen partnerships with government agencies like DTI to give more students this kind of exposure. So my conclusion is my 3 months as an IT support and help desk intern at the Department of Trade and Industry under Information Systems Management Service and ISD was one of the most valuable experiences of my academic journey. It pushed me out of my comfort zone, taught me how real IT operations work in a government setting, and gave me the chance to contribute to an actual software project that DTI can use. And beyond the technical skills, I left the internship with a stronger sense of professionalism, confidence, and a clearer picture of the kind of IT professional I want to become. So for my acknowledgement or that these are the things I want to say to my internship company. So I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to Miss Rochelle Matias, my training supervisor, for her guidance and trust throughout the internship. I want to also thank the IT staffs of ISMS who patiently mentored me and welcomed me as a part of the team. To my fellow OJT interns, thank you for the teamwork and the memories. To my school, thank you for preparing me and giving me this opportunity. To my family, thank you. So here are the photos I took during my internship. So this is for my documentation. So that's all. Thank you. I'm Joshua Vidal, and this is my again my on-the-job training presentation. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask me in my contacts.